In today's video, I am going to teach you how to show the trade button on MetaTrader 5 on PC. If you've opened MetaTrader 5 and wondered where the quick sell and buy buttons are, they're part of a feature called one-click trading. Turning it on makes placing market orders faster by putting the controls directly on your chart, so you don't have to open a separate order window each time. Start by making sure you have a chart open and active. Click anywhere inside the chart to make it the focus of the platform. This matters because the shortcut we're about to use only works on the active chart window. Now, to reveal the one-click trading panel, right-click anywhere on the open chart and choose one-click trading from the menu that appears. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Alt+T while the chart is active. Either option does the same thing. When one-click trading is enabled, you will see a compact panel appear in the top left corner of the chart. It shows sell and buy buttons along with a volume field. That volume box is where you set your lot size before clicking sell or buy. So always take a moment to confirm the number is what you intend to trade. This panel is designed for speed, so orders can be sent immediately without extra confirmation windows. If you don't see the panel right away, look to the very top left of the chart. Just below the instrument or pair name, T, here is a small arrow or button there. Click that arrow to expand the one-click trading panel. This arrow acts as a toggle, so you can click it again anytime you want to hide the panel and free up chart space. Remember, the panel is chart face specific, so you can show or hide it on each chart independently. In some cases, the first time you enable one-click trading, MetaTrader 5 may display a confirmation message explaining how instant execution works. Read it carefully and confirm if you want to proceed. This is simply there to make sure you understand that clicking sell or buy will place a market order right away, using the volume you've set. A quick tip before we wrap up: because one-click trading is fast, be deliberate with your volume and double-check the symbol you are trading. If you are new to this feature, consider experimenting on a demo account first to get comfortable with the layout and how quickly orders are placed. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.